Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add the element at the beginning of the linked list. Or also you can add the item, you can say, and the end of the linked list. So first of all, create a linked list, because a linked list have a class in the Java. So using imports.util.linklist. So util package have a LinkList class, and by using list.add some items in the linked list. So after that you can add in the beginning at the positions and the end of the position in the linked list. You know very well about the linked list, because a linked list is a linear data structure in which you can add item in the linear manner. Okay, and single linked list, multiple linked list, and you can say the circular linked list and doubly linked list is also there in the LinkList class. So after that you can add item in the linked list. So in this linked list we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 items in the linked list. You can print it by using list dot 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, that's it, final. Okay, and after that add number at starting position. I want to add a number at the starting position, so list dot add start, add first. What is the matter? Add first is the method. You can add the object, any objects. Okay, so I have a string type of object, so you can add the 0 at the positions. After that you can add, you can again print it after first positions. Okay, it's pretty simple. Now after that you can add the last positions. Okay, so first replace with the last, add last. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video, and please keep watching my all other videos tutorial, and I will provide you a better video tutorial of Java, and I'm sure I will provide you that whole things which is included in Java and any other projects. So subscribe my channel, I request you, and okay, thank you very much for watching.